Before I go home, I wanted to try this for best bet. Let's see. I only put $100 in, so just see what we can do with $100. Let's go. I'm gonna do 3 spins each for $5 for each denom. Actually 3, sorry. Wish me luck, guys. Nice. Anything could happen. Ooh. Ooh. Just imagine me getting the major within like a minute. That would have been crazy. Now the major's not gonna come down for a while since it wanted to show its face already. I might as well just cash out and leave now. Is too much for me right now in the background. Oh yeah, at least we got a bonus. I didn't mean to push it so quickly, sorry. Come on, please don't suck. At least your trigger or something. See, with games like this, I give you a lot of bonus rounds. They know it's gonna suck. That's why they give you so much. And they would have bang. Not bad. I'll do 3 backup spins. Okay. These guns are too clean right now. Most of the time it's all sticky. This is like when you get like new brakes and brakes in the car and it works too good. I might as well just play the rest on here. Okay. Really? Is she like a main symbol? Oh, Snapples. See, that's what we can do with $100. Do it. Let's see who is the highest symbol. She is actually And this one is 75. Why? Okay. That's what's up. I'll go down to 100. Still gonna do my rounds. Do it. Look at this, a 777. We just need it to be all sevens. I just gotta pay attention to it. Let's just play all of it, I guess. I just wanted to get to 777. So we're back to square one right now. Let's get that 500 trophy again. $500 trophy. That was awesome. Alright, it's almost at 777. Did I already do 3? I don't remember. Right there. I hope it doesn't go over. So if I do 5 and then 3, right? Let's do 3. Oh, I didn't do it. I calculated that wrong, did I? Oh, look at this. Yeah, that should be like the thumbnail. Default picture. Let's go back over here. Let's get another bonus. Do it, do it, do it. Oh my goodness. No. Oh, I just need it. Why? I'm glad you guys witnessed that though. My failure to get the major. Do it. You could have made it up to me right there. Okay, you made it up to me right here. Hopefully it doesn't suck. We didn't get a trophy bonus yet, so let's do that. Hopefully the major comes back. Come on, trophies. Sounds like a James Brown song in the beginning. You hear that? Like, this is a man's world. If you listen to it. Come on, do it. See right there. That major was right there. It's right over here. Alright, let's get a trophy bonus now. I feel like I'm in the 80s with the background song. Hey, I love me the 80s. Come on, man. I'm stuck in the 80s. Nice. Why are you being so mean to me? See what I'm talking about? Oh. What? That was $4 and you still didn't give it to me? Jerk face. I'm tempted to put another 100 in here. What should I do? If I continue playing, you guys will see. If not, thanks for watching. I finally got a trophy bonus, you guys. I put $100 in. I'm doing 250 bets for each denom. This is actually some good numbers for 250. Nice. Let's get a blue trophy or a green one. I'll take an orange one too. An orange? Hey, thank you. I'll let you watch me until I get down to 100. Oh yeah. Say it with me. Please don't suck. Binoculars, cock block. Ooh, this is a good one. Play the music. Oh, I didn't play the music, but it's still nice. Trigger. Aww. Does it re-trigger to 20? Or 5? Do it. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. I guess I'll go down to 2. I'll do 1. Oh, that would have been nice. Thank you. If if I continue playing, you'll see again. If not, again, thanks for watching. Look at this awesome bonus on a 2-cent $5 bet. What? I just put $100 back in and accumulated some. Wow, this is nice. The major has to come down. Anything has to come down. Thank you. Oh, come on. Yes, thank you. I was about to say no. Thank you. What's the highest number you've seen on a $5 bet on 2 cent? What's the highest number you can get? I don't even know. Play the music. This bonus. I'm glad I kept playing. I am glad I kept playing, you guys. That was awesome. Dang, I was hoping it was gonna give me $1. I'll go down to 700 for you guys, but let's continue doing our 3. Was it number 3 or number 2? I don't remember. That was awesome. Was I doing 250? I don't remember. Oh, I'm horrible. Oh yeah. You always have to make those investment backup spins, just in case. Actually, I'm not gonna say investments. I'm gonna call it insurance. Insurance backup spins. Let's call it backup insurance. Let's get a blue ball. I mean, blue trophy. Alright, let's keep it going. Hey, that's alright. I just added to my collection of $728.55. Let's go. We can do down to 9. Let's do our backup insurance. All right. Thank you, Best Bet. Surprisingly, you're active for, I don't know, it's weird. But I'm loving it. Okay. Let's go. Please don't suck. I said please. Aww. Mr. Ed. Mr. Ed, come through. Aww. Do it right here, right here. Oh, I got it on the last spin. Let's go. I thought this was a nickel. That would have been a beautiful, beautiful trophy, even on a dime. It's still beautiful on here. I mean, it's not beautiful, but it's pretty. Aw, come on, anything. No. Hey, thank you. Still grateful. Not bad. I just put $100 in. Doing my usual spins. Okay. What was that, 2? I'll do a couple spins for you. Oh, okay. Never mind. This machine is active. What the heck? So I found out that if you retrigger, you only get 5 extra free spins. Not 10. Okay, good. At least it gave me something. Alright. 3 backup spins. Actually, you know what? I'll go down to 3. Was I doing 250 or 5? I don't remember. I'll just do 5. I can do 150 over here. Alright, thank you. Again. Alright, put $100 in. First spin. Let's go. What a good bonus already. I just hope something lands. Oh, okay, look at that. What an awesome bonus already. Let's go. The major has to fall down. It has to. Or another $500 trophy. Come on, anything. Bam. Yes. Alright, come on, anything. Yes. I'll take another 250. I'll take a $5 one. I'll take this. Play the music. This machine is active, like a mother father. 3 backups, maybe 2. They're 250. I should have did 3 on a 2 cent. Wow. Wow and wow. Thank you. Alright, since I've been winning, I know you guys want to watch me play, so I'll let you watch me play. I put $100 in, I cashed out at $7.50. I'll let you guys watch me play. Alright. Wish me luck, guys. Again.
He would have walked, or whoever was would have walked. That's what I would have walked. They would have walked. And then I got the car and left.
Yeah, and I was like, you would have never known about it if I would have told you about it. The right thing would have been, it's like, well, no, Tina, you sit down because you were stuck.
Right, or let's go, or then we go have.
Yeah, absolutely.
Do you guys hear the story in the background?
Yeah, so I was in the back of my car because I drove there from Vegas, right? And I was like in some water or something. He came around and just slammed $200 in my backpack and just set it in the car. He said, well, this is about maybe, I'll say, a month, maybe 6 weeks ago. I was telling the other people, I said, friends on you. And then the motherfucker calls me yesterday after all that time, right?
I know I was supposed to do 3 bets, but I'm gonna do 3 on here instead. Do it. I ended with a bang.
Yeah, we're done.
Alright, you guys got to see that, so yeah. Again, thanks for watching. This was awesome. Even though I was supposed to go home, but I put $100 in the machine and I'm like, let's see what this machine can do. It suckered me in, but I'm glad it did. Thank you again.